How's your back?
Tight.
Well, untighten it. Because Nishimura, he uses golf as a metaphor for life. So if you mess that up, it's sayonara, Nishimura.
My little magic pills.
Look at this. Side effects include swollen tongue, dry mouth, and watch out for sudden loss of depth perception.
Check if they have any kids' toothpaste. That old people stuff. Should we tell? I think I remember where they go. This one. It needs to be here.
What am I doing? They're guys. It's weird. Catch you later. Mr. Nishimura. An honor.
Nice to meet you. Oh. My son. Please. Please.
Hey.
Thank you. Voice Mayor. No. Charlie. It's me. I think we switch peers.